how to build a KPMG virtual internship provided by forage.com. Okay, so in our previous video we talked about the forage.com website, and we also got to know that it provides several virtual internships which provide us about how the work takes place in an office. So it is very good, and I suggest everyone to try them at least once based on their skill sets or their interests. Also do watch the previous video. So we'll begin solving the task 1 for this, and before that let's just give you a brief review of this. So this is the task 1. It says data quality assessment of data quality and completeness in preparation for analysis. Okay, so now we'll follow the steps mentioned here. These are the steps. Watch video instructions. Second, get background info and context. Third, get details for your task. Fourth, view resources to help you learn. Fifth, submit your work on this page. And sixth, unlock the model work. Okay, so this is the first task, and this is the first step of the first task, which says get instructions for your task. Watch this video and hear about your task. So you can click on this button and watch this complete video. Then this is the second step, and here is the background information on your task, which says SP Rocket Central Private Limited is a medium-sized bikes and cycling accessories organization that has approached Tony Smith, partner in KPMG's Lighthouse and Innovation team, and it is keen to learn more about KPMG's expertise in its analytics, information and modeling team. So we need to follow all these instructions. Now in the next paragraph it says Smith discusses KPMG's expertise in this space. You can read more here. In particular, he speaks about how the team can effectively analyze the data sets to help SP Rocket Central Private Limited grow its business. So basically our task is to analyze this data provided by SP Rocket Central Private Limited company to KPMG, and as a worker at KPMG employee, we are supposed to check their data set if it has any lags that would harm their business or that would affect their business not in a good way. So further it says primarily SP Rocket Central Private Limited needs help with its customer and transactions data, as I already said. The organization has a large data set relating to its customers, but the team is unsure how to effectively analyze it to help optimize its marketing strategy. However, in order to support the analysis, you speak to the associate director for some ideas, and she advised that the importance of optimizing the quality of customer data sets cannot be underestimated. The better the quality of the data set, the better a chance you will be able to use it drive company growth. The client provided KPMG with 3 data sets. So these are the data sets that are provided by SP Rocket Central Private Limited. It has the data of customer demographic, customer addresses, transactions data in the past 3 months. Okay, so we need to work on these data sets and check if there are any abnormalities and remove them so that it does not hinder the growth of its business, that is of SP Rocket. So further it says you decide to start the preliminary data exploration and identify ways to improve the quality of SP Rocket Central Private Limited's data. Now this is the third step. Here is your task. You arrive at your desk after the initial meeting. you have a voicemail on your phone which contains the following instructions. So you would go through this instruction.
Hi there, it's
This is a
Kathleen. Welcome
voicemail
to the
from
team.
Kathleen.
The client's asked us to assess the quality of their data and as well as to make some recommendations on the way to clean the underlying data set and mitigate any issues that they might have. You've received some data from the client. Can you please take a look at the data sets that we've received and draft an email to them identifying the data quality issues and how this may impact the analysis going forward? I will send through an example of a typical data quality framework that can be used as a guide. Please remember to consider the join keys between the tables too. Thanks again for your help. Bye.
So in case if you're not able to follow this accent or the way she's speaking, so you may just follow this voicemail transcript below, and that says, "Hi there, welcome again." This is exactly the word she said in the voicemail. That is, "Hi there, welcome again to the team. The client has asked our team to assess quality of the data, and our client, as you already know, is SP Rockets Central Private Limited. This is our client, okay, and we are working here as a KPMG employee, and Kathleen is supposed to tell us about our task or clarify us about the task." So she is telling that the client has asked our team to assess the quality of their data as well as make recommendations on ways to clean the underlying data and mitigate these issues. Can you please take a look at the data sets we've received and draft an email to them identifying the data quality issues and how this may impact our analysis going forward. I will send through an example of a typical quality data work that can be used as a guide. Remember to consider the join keys between the tables too. Thanks again for your help. So this is the email that she sends. It says, "Hi there, as per voicemail, please find the 3 datasets attached from SP Rocket Central Private Limited, that is our client. Customer demographic, customer addresses, transaction data in the past 3 months. And then, can you please review the data quality to ensure that it is ready for our analysis in phase 2. Remember to take note of any assumptions or issues we need to go back to the client on, as well as recommendations going forward to mitigate current data quality concerns. I have also attached a data quality framework as a guideline. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for your help. Kind regards, your manager." And we know Kathleen is our manager, and she's sent us this email. Now here is your task. Draft an email to the client identifying the data quality issues and strategies to mitigate these issues. Refer to the data quality framework table and resources below for criteria and dimensions which you should consider. Items required to do this module. Click to download the file, and this file I have already downloaded. You need to click on this click to download file as it says, and it will be downloaded. Then you have to click that downloaded file. It will open in Microsoft Excel. I've already opened file here. Now you may use programs like Excel, Google Sheets, Tableau, Power BI to start. Feel free to use Python, R, programming language, MATLAB and other data analytics tools that you know of. Okay, so these are the tools that we can use to solve this problem related to data sets. And the tools the programs that we can use are Excel, which we have in our systems installed, most of us. The Google Sheets we can use, which are easily available. Tableau is also available for with 15 days of free subscription. Then Power BI is there, and we can also use the languages like Python, R, programming language MATLAB, and other data analytics tools in order to solve this task. That is to bring our data sets in the perfect form so that they help in the progress of our uh, client's business. And our client is SK Rockets Private Limited. Now this is the step 4, which says resources to help you with the task. Data quality framework table. Below is a list of the data quality dimensions our team may use to evaluate a data set. Some of these terms are common to the whole industry, so you may find more information and clarity on these terms by searching online. Standard data quality dimensions: correct values, accuracy, data fields with values, completeness, values free from contradictions, consistency, values up to date, currency, data items with value, metadata, relevancy, data containing allowable values, validity, records that are duplicated, uniqueness, and then we need to submit our work, that is the file that we had downloaded, the data sets, and once we bring them to the perfect form and we believe that it would be helpful for our client's progress, then we can put it here. It says drop files here or click to upload. So once we click on this, we'll be able to browse the location and our files, and we'll be able to upload them. Then we need to click on open, and we'll be able to upload it. Then your completed task attempts, data quality assessment. This is the time when you this will show us the time when we attended the task. And then it says unlock the model work. This is the last step, which is this model work was created by a senior consultant in the data analytics team. The model work replicates real work done by the team at KPMG. This model work was created by a senior consultant in the data analytics team. The model work replicates real work done by the KPMG team. So this is a kind of solution or a model work to help us out with this problem. Problem file that we had downloaded earlier. This is a kind of solution or a sample solution for that, which this we can download by clicking on this download now button. Okay, so in the next video we will see how to solve that task. Okay, thanks for joining, and let's learn together.